Welcome back to another What's in the Box. This is an exciting one. I finally got my hands on a TrendMood Box. I didn't know that I was subscribed to the email, so when I got the email saying you can have early access, I was like, oh, what is going to be in said box? Well, after reviewing the play, I was like, I'm going to try to snag this. Set my alarm. Mind you, my alarm for when things launch is bust beat by the front bottoms, and when that goes off, it scares the shit out of me. So I was like, oh! And it just knocked my whole background around. Anyway, I got it, and I'm excited. I have it open because I had to use some of the stuff. I've had it for a couple days. So I did, what was in this one was the Touch of the Silk powder. I am not a powder person. I don't use powder. I'm dry. I just rather not. But this stuff so far, like, I've used it today and yesterday, and I feel like I used it to kind of like bake around my nose and then like set my fine lines. And like, I feel like it's pretty good. I don't use a lot of it. I don't really like bake, but just to kind of like smooth my lines with it, I feel like it does what I need it to do. The other thing that was in it was Dominique Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from Dominique Cosmetics, so I was pretty excited. And this is the, what is the name of this palette? Born to Make History, I believe is the name of this palette. And I'm wearing it today. Do you want a tutorial on this look? Because I used every shade in this palette except for the glitter. But it is so cute. This is just kind of a look that's definitely out of my comfort zone. It's super, like, subtle, but, like, you want to look like a bad bitch to go out to get your takeout, your to-go order from McAllister's or wherever you get your takeout from. But I was like, I feel like I look pretty. So I was like, I'm going to get on my little baggy sweater, my cute little under thing, and I'm going to be all extra. The last two products that were in here, which I had to try the toner out today. I've been using the buffet from The Ordinary, but there's a lot of things that you can't use with that, so I didn't use it, so that I could use this. This is Bioseance. Please correct me if I'm not saying that the correct way. I don't know if I've really heard of this brand, but it is a squalane BHA pore minimizing toner. Facial toner visibly tightens large pores. So I was like, that sounds like it would be really good. Like, I'm excited to try that out. And I didn't feel anything with my skin. Like, it didn't feel like it was itchy. It didn't irritate it so far. Hopefully that will not be something that I have an issue out of. So far I like it. And I'm going to try this later, but it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream, Smoothing and Moisturizing. So, the way that I read this, total mistake on my end. I was like, a moisturizer? And then I was like, no, it's a lotion. But I have been being fairly dry lately, and I was like, you know what, I need to use it. And I've heard amazing things about Glow Recipe, so I'm really excited to try it. I wonder if it smells good. Like, oh my goodness. It's so cute. I mean, the box is kind of like all up in the way, but it's so cute. Let me see how it smells. Oh my gosh, it literally does smell like watermelon. Oh my goodness, yes. It smells so good. It actually smells to me kind of like the, it smells to me like the Fourth Ray Beauty Watermelon Face Milk from ColourPop Land. I don't know, like, that's just how I got it. I got that, like, 3 or 4 of them on sale. And I wanted to try them. That's kind of what it smells like. Except more of a, it's sweeter. Like, it smells freaking amazing. And, like, I can already feel where I had put it in my hands that they feel softer already. So, this is the box that it come in. Let me go ahead and grab it, since I haven't showed it yet. But I like the packaging. It had, like, the purple tissue paper in it, and it's just a cute presentation. I was so excited. I was like, it's huge. Like, I don't know what size all these products were. Like, I knew they were full size, but I didn't know, like, the size. So when the box came in, I was like, oh, and it got here so quick. Like, super quick. I hope that I can get my hands on another one in the future. I'm going to try to keep my eyes open to, like, see if there are more interesting products, because to me these were very interesting and I was super happy with my purchase. Now that I've smelled this and I feel it on my hands, like, this is going to be my, as soon as I get out of the shower every night, I'm fixing to just lather myself in it because it smells so good and it made my hands feel so nice. I used the Dominique Cosmetics palette today. I mentioned that. And I liked the formula. I'd never tried anything from this brand. I used to watch some Christine Dominique videos. So, like, if all of her products are as nice as this, I would probably venture into maybe buying another, like, buying some of her products. I just, when it comes to me, I don't really want, like, soft glam. I'm more of a bold glam, which is why the blend palette never leaves my site, because that has all of the beautiful, like, dark bold colors. This is like my aesthetic here, the rainbow all matte, but like if I just want to do something, because this look really did not take me very long at all, if I want to have like that, I feel really pretty, this isn't dramatic, this palette really made me feel so pretty today. I never do anything like this. It's almost, this look kind of reminds me of the one that I've done with the Pat McGrath palette, and I need to use that palette again because I love it. Okay, I'm getting rambly, but I want to thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you'd like to see next down below. Have you tried TrendMood Box? Just let me know what you've gotten, if you've gotten it before. I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll have my social medias down below so you can keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!